Okay. Okay, Shabab. Okay. Now we know, Shabab, what is the measurement. Yes. So we need okay. We know the basic units is the length is meter and mass kilogram and time is what? Second. Okay. Who's writing this notes from the platform? Who's opened the platform and writing these notes? Nobody? Nobody download these notes? Yeah. Okay. And this is we need to find some important main points to writing where on the physics notebook. On the physics notebook. But we know that units, yes, prefix using the indicating the fraction of what? Of multiplying of units. And we know how to measure the length. It's micrometer, vernier caliper, and ruler, and meter ruler, and measuring tape. Okay? Should we choose what, ya shabab? Place the meter ruler very closely and should be placed perpendicularly to any scale, and each reading should be what? Repeated several what? Repeated several times. We know that last time. This is for the diameter. How to measure the diameter? Please find the radius, the length before and the length after, and subtract to find what? To find the diameter. And the same thing. This is ball bearing. How to find the measurement length? It's by 1 and by from the start to the end point, and then how to find the length? It's by the second minus the first. So to find what? To find the length. And how to find the measuring volume? We know the volume. Liquids are using measuring cylinder. This is measuring cylinder. Should be sorry, to measure sharply by what? Below the meniscus, because the meniscus is below what? Is for liquids. You know there are two types of liquids and mercury. In liquid we can find the meniscus below the water level, and the meniscus is what? Upper the liquids. Okay, shabab. And what about volume of regular solids? Liquids. Volume of regular solids, we can use this formula, direct formula. It's volume of rectangular block, like example, length, width, and height. Volume of sphere of radius r, it's 4 by 3 by r cube. Volume of cylinder of radius r and length by r square h. Correct? This is for what? The volume for all what? Regular solids. For volume for what, ya shabab? For irregular solid, please bring the measuring cylinder, hold the water to exact volume now, and bring rope or wire to catch the irregular shape and immerse where on the measuring. We fill with water. Now what happened? The water, it will be increased because now we have two volume. This is what we call volume 2, and this is what? Volume 1. How to measure the final volume? It's V2 minus V1 by using another things, by displacement can. This is the displacement can. This what is exactly displacement can? This is our what? Container. This container, when once added the regular solid, it's what? Push amount of water. This is amount of water. It's what we call, this is the volume of what? Of this irregular shape. Okay? If how to find the volume of this? By what? By the water coming what? Out. Okay? Today, inshallah, we're going for measuring mass. Measuring mass. Okay, what is the mass of an object? What is the mass, ya shabab, for an object? Yes. Who can tell me the mass of the object? The mass of the object, the symbol is M. Yes, this is M. Yes?
Mass is the amount of matter in the object.
Yes, the amount of matter contained in this object. This is true. The amount of matter. What kind of matter, ya Umran? Stand up. What kind of matters? How many types of matters? Yes. Umran, how many kinds of matters? matters. Matters is like something solid, something what? We have what? The material around us. What kind of material around us? Something what? Something what? Something what? Liquid. Yes, this is matter. Liquid, solid, and gas. Yes, and plasma. Very good. This is the new exclusion now. Given matter, it's gas. You know, gas, ya shabab. This is gas. Okay. Gas. And what else? Yes, and liquid. We know liquid. Okay, this is liquid. And what is this? Another is solid. Okay, this is solid. Okay, you understand? يبقى أي matter is divided for gas. Okay, يا سعيد? Gas, liquid, and solid. How to define the definition of mass? What is the mass means? Again, mass is the amount of matter contained in this object. Yes. How many? How many? How much the amount? Yes. Okay, Shabab? Okay. Let's go for the units. We know the symbol. We know the symbol of the symbol of mass. The symbol of mass is M. We know the symbol of mass is M. The mass is measured in, what is the main point? Muhammad? Kilogram. This is the main point. Who knows the kilogram how much? Saeed. In 1 kilogram, how many grams, Saeed? Yes? 1,000. 1,000. Bravo, Ali. Yes, in 1 kilo. Yes, this is good. 1 kilogram is equal how much? 1,000 grams. Yes. 1,000 what? 1,000 grams. Okay, Shabab, 1,000. Sorry, 1,000 grams. Yes. Yeah. Okay, inshallah, I bring my tablet and then I'm writing on the tablet. No problem. Yes.
Some people mix between weight and mass.
Yes, exactly.
Weight is measured in newtons.
Yeah, bravo. Yeah, inshallah, we can compare between mass and weight. Don't worry. Inshallah. And during this semester, inshallah, we know what's the difference between mass and weight. Correct? Even 1 kilogram is how much? Is 1,000 grams. Okay. Even this is 1 gram is equal 1,000 grams. The mass of an object depend on the read Amran. Yes. The mass of an object depend on the number and type of atom in the object. Like what? We have مثلا, for example, pound or packet of feather. Packet. Yes. Big packet of what? Feather. And small piece of iron. See the packet of feather and small piece of iron. Which one's more mass? Yes. See the mass, it have what? Small dimensions, but the feather is have what? Big dimensions. So which one is more mass? Iron. Yes. Because inshallah we complete what is the difference between mass, weight, and density. Yes, we're going now to density, but not now, inshallah, next lessons. Okay? We know that the mass of the object, Saeed, the mass of the object, Saeed, depends on the what? Number and types of atom in the object. Yes, what kind? It's solid, it's liquid, or gas. This is what I mean by number and type. Number and type. Okay. Next. Mass can be measured in what? Yes, the mass measured in what? Yes, by top 10 balance. This is what we call top balance. This is the electronic balance. This is the lab. We're using this balance where? On the lab. But now we have what? Many different shapes of what? Of balance. But the main one to find the accurate mass is what we call band balance. Tamam? And there is another one is what? Beam balance. You know what's beam? Yes. You can see the beam. Yeah, this is the beam. It's like that. It's like root. Yes. And one side have plate, and the other side have a what? Another plate. Okay. And this is, for example, something there. Okay. And there is what? Adding some weights. It's, for example, 1 kilo or half kilo or what? This what we call, this is what we call beam balance. You know, it's by the oldest way to measure the masses. Okay, simply adding the object here and the opposite object adding what? Adding the accurate what? Accurate mass. Yes, it's like it's the measurement mass. Okay, Shabab? If we can use by pen balance, beam balance. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Said, Said, please. Okay. And the balance should be what? Clean? Yes, mister. Because something, any dirt or anything, it can change in what? The accurate balance. Okay? Horizontal and read zero if no mass is placed on it. What means, Yasha? What means? Should be before, and now I have this stone, I need to measure the mass. Right. If there is another scale, if this balance have a what? Old scale, matter for example 10, and now I need to add this object. I can adding on the 10, or should be to change it to 0. Yes, should be to change it to 0. We cannot add another mass before other what? On the other balance here. We have now this object. This object how much? 25. Why is 25? Because the oldest measurement is 0. Like if we need now, I have block. Okay, now I have block. This block, yes, this block, I need it to add in where? To this balance side. What should be to do now? Yes, I'm going there. I'm going there and change to me what? Change into this 25. I'm removing the oldest object and change it to be what? Change it to what? To 0. And then adding what? Adding this shape where or this object on the surface of the balance. It should be clean and should be read what? 0 before measurement. Okay? When we want the mass of a very small object, example, a what? You know the pin? Pin? What's pin? You know pin? Paper clip. We find the mass of a large number of these pieces and then divide it by the number, yes, to get the average mass of one piece. Why is average? To reduce the error. Yes, for example, six calculation, 3 calculation like that. For example, I have مثلا, for example, 2 gram, 2 gram, and 3 gram. Yes, okay, Shabab, and then coming 2.5 2.5 what? 2.5 gram. Okay? We have 2 grams, 3 grams, and 2.5 grams. Now, how to find the average? The average is take 2, yes, Muhammad, 2 plus 3 plus 2.5, 2.5 divide by how many reading? How many reading there? 3 divided by 3. This is what we call average. Why is average? Why is average? Muad, to reduce the error. To reduce the error. How much? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7.5. 7.5 divided by 3, how much? 2.5. Given the correct answer, it will be 2.5. What are you doing now, Saeed? We repeat. We measure more than one time. To what? To get the accurate the accurate balance to accurate reading. Okay? To find the accurate reading. Then 4. Now measuring time. Yes. How to measure times? Yes. Read.
Long times, few hours are measured by using a clock or a watch.
Yes. Then Umran, read. Umran, read. Shorter times up to 1 hour are measured using to what? To a stopwatch. Complete, Muhammad.
We must check that the watch is ready to.
Again, ya shabab, again, please, before use any instrument, should be clean, should be what? Raised to 0. Raised to what? 0 before measuring time. Yes, complete. Otherwise, yeah, a correction should be what? Should be. Yes. Said.
Very short time after this measure with the electronic timer which stop and stop.
Automatically. See, ya shabab, there are 3 different types of measurement. Sometimes we can use long times, like few hours. We going for clock or watch. Clock or another watch. Yes, because this is long time. Now what about short time? Short time, we using what, ya shabab? Yes, stopwatch. You know the stopwatch? Yes. Why exactly stopwatch? To measure? I need, ya shabab, the measurement is what should be what exactly. Exactly how much the time? We should be to use what the time? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, at least use what? Stopwatch. Okay? Fine. Yes, for very short times, like what? Like reactions. Yes.
Sir, they actually, like if you want to measure very accurate distance for like a runner, they put a laser application.
Excellent. Well, this is the method now. It's electronic timer. Yes, electronic timer, Muaz. It's yes. It's depend about what? Depend about laser beam. You know the who's need to measurement exactly the reaction, the collision between the atoms. Yes, this action is coming in part of seconds. Yes, in part of seconds. So we need exactly measurement. The exactly measurement depend about the laser watch. Yes.
If you want to like measure something that's going very fast,
Yeah.
it's also big. It's not like the size of an atom. They use a very slow camera.
Yes.
You can see how much time, and you measure how much time.
How much the time and the
multiply by the factor of the reduction speed.
very good. This is correct. Before there is what we called, there is a scientist who discovered the new units. New units, his name is what? Femtosecond. Who the scientist? This Egyptian scientist, his name is what? Ahmad Zawil. Yes, Ahmad Zawil, he explored what? The new, yes, femtosecond. Femtosecond is 10 power 19. Yes, is using what? He used what? He used a laser camera. This laser camera can measure the reaction. Sometimes, you know what the tablet, when you take the tablet, there is a reaction between the medications and your organs, your bodies. Is how to detect the actions. Yes, use what? This is a laser camera. And the same thing between the particles, after the particles collide and objects.
Something like a tube, but they put two atoms.
This is what we call accelerator. Yes, particle accelerator. Okay, this is using for what? To measure exactly that. Okay, Shalom. There is experimented like what periodic time of pendulum. You know, this is the ordinary method to measure what? To measure a periodic time. Okay, this is what this exactly method. This is string, and what is the end of the string? It's ball. This ball is what? Oscillate, right and left. Yes, right and left. But it's oscillation. Okay, Shabab, who can read it? Yes. Measure
Measure
the length of pendulum
from the hanging point of the center of mass of ball.
pop. Pop means this is the massless of the ball. We call pop about what? The massless of what? Of ball. Correct? Set the pendulum to swing. A complete swing or oscillation starts from one end all this way to the other end and coming back. Yani it's one oscillation. Yes. What is one oscillation? Yes, it's one oscillation. Starting. Yes, starting. This is one. No, it's quarter. This is half. This is 3/4, and this now it's one. If how it's moved, quarter, half, 3/4, and then coming one. This is one oscillation. Okay, like that. This is one. 2, 3, like that. You understand? You understand, ya shabab? This is this quarter, and this is half. The 3/4, and this is the turn. This is one complete oscillation. One complete what? One complete oscillation. So one complete oscillation. Yes, when the pop. Yes.
When the pop starts, your stopwatch at around 20 complete swing.
Yes.
Then stop your stopwatch and record the time taken by each swing.
Swing, yes, sir. Because we draw table. Yes, we draw table. Yes, like that. See this table. So this table have a column. Yes. Yes, column for number. Okay, Shabab, number. Okay, and number 1. Yes, when the pop is one end starts, use the stopwatch on one count. What? 20. Yes. At 20. We're going forward at 20. How many times there? The time by what? By seconds. The time by seconds. Okay, for first trial, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. 4 times to repeat this experiment. Okay? Okay, Shabab. When the pop at one start, you stopwatch and the count 20 complete swing. Then the top you stopwatch and record the time by this swing. Okay? At each length.
At each length, the time measured should be repeated several times and the average is obtained to get the most accurate measurement.
Yes. The another column, we can write the length. And what means length? Yes, how much the length of the wire. Yes, for example, it's 51 centimeter. Yes, 60 centimeter, like that, and 70 centimeter. And measure how much? Measure the time exactly. Okay, Shabab? You at 50, how much? At 60, how much? At 70, how much? Correct? Omran? Yes, Omran. Okay, Omran? Yes. Omran. Repeat. Yes. Repeat the steps of different lengths of pendulum. Okay. To relate your results and find the time taken by swing of each one. Yes. Okay. This is another. This is what we call. This is the experiment for freeform. This is the electronic timer. What's electronic timer? This is depend about lights, or laser beam, or sensor beam. Yes, or magnetic beam. Very good.
What you would like, they will use a steel board and then there is a coil inside.
Exactly. So once the ball is full, it's calculated exactly what the time when the ball is what? Yes, hit, okay, or not the surface. Okay, it's exact. This is now what we call the electronic time. Okay, Shabab, come on, this is for higher experiment to find exactly the time. Okay? Okay, this is the table of results. See the table of results. This is what we call, this is the result. See, this is the last table, Shabab. Yes, its length by centimeter, 41, 52, 61, 71. And this is time in second, time 1, times 2, times 3, times, yes, average. This time average. We repeat it how many times? 3 times and take the average. The average is this time. And the same thing for the second length, we repeat it 3 times and take the average. And the same thing for others and other, and we can find the table. This is the table to give us what? The accurate time for swing what? Swing the pendulum. Swing what? Swing the pendulum. Okay, يا شباب? Okay. Okay, now we can go for the micrometer's true value. You know this micrometer? This is what we call micrometer. Okay, we need what? To use micrometer to measure what? What this? To measure the, yes, diameter, to measuring the radius, like that. The thickness of the object, either for measurement thickness or object, we use what, ya shabab? We use the micrometer. Okay? Okay, who can read it? Yes? Muad? Yes, please. Read ya Muad. Yes, please. Number 1. Yes, this is used.
This is used to measure the
Diameter of thin wire. Thin wire or in the range. Yes, Shah. We are using this device to measure what? The range between 0.1 millimeter to 1 centimeter. Okay, Saeed? Yani it's close between 0.01 and 1 centimeter. Okay? The precision, yes, yalla, precision of measurement by micrometer is 0.01. The precision exactly, yes, it's around what? 0.01. To use micrometer, we need the steps. Yalla, Saeed, hurry up, Saeed, quickly. Squeezing, yes, this is a micrometer and this is the object. Okay, this is the object. What is this object exactly? This is the sphere, or glass ball, or glass marble, or anything spherical. Okay, Mohan? Now this is the two jaw. This is jaw 1 and this is jaw 2. Yes, how to control by what? By rotation thumb. Yes, this is the rotation. Rotate to anti-clockwise. Yes, after that, what happened for? For it's closed, but we need to close it, not squeezing. Not too much. Yes, not just only little close. Little closing. Okay? Maybe damage the structure or damaging the surrounding of the sphere or surrounding of the objects. Beware or take care when we need to close in the two jaw. Correct? This number 1. Number 2, yes, Muhammad. Slave 1 millimeter and half millimeter mark. What are you doing now? Read the main scale. There are 3 scales there. This is scale 1, this is scale 2, and this is scale 3. See after a microscope? Yes, you can see there. This is what we call slave scale. This is the millimeter. And this is another one. See, all these 3 scales we mixing together to find exactly the diameter or the thickness for this object. How many millimeter there? How many millimeter there? By calculate the 3 scales together. We adding 3 scales together. Yes. How to adding these 3 scales together? We can see the board. Yes. Yes. This is the first scale. This is the main one. It's like 0. It's 1 and 2. Okay, between 0 and 1, half, and 1 and 2, half, and 2 and 3 is half. Between half, there is small, yes, small lines. This is what we call the part of millimeter. This is millimeter parts. After that, this is the main one. This is the main scale, and this is part scale, and this is the same thing we need to add it. Starting from 0 to I think 245. Again, this is part of millimeter, يعني 0.00, and the same thing. This is 0 to 45 is the same thing, 0.00. Okay? Now, how to measure? For example, how to measure? This is 2.5, and this is how much? 3. How to reading now? It's 2.00, correct? Yes. Okay, Shabab? Now, what is the part? Plus 0. What is the part there? Yes, it's 7. Correct? Then plus, how much is the part? We have 10. Yes, 10, 11, 12, and this is 13. So we add 0.13. Now add together. How to add together? Yes, 2. Yes, 7. 0.3 is 3. 7.1 is 8. Now what is the final reading? 2.83. You understand? We divided for 3 sections. The part for the tumble and the part of the slave is coming part of millimeter. Part of millimeter we added together plus the main scale or slave scale. Okay? We go inshallah to study the more example about this kind. Okay? See this example? See this example, Ashram? Nobody there. This participate. See? Okay. Inshallah next time. Okay, then. Working examples. Yes. Practical. Next. Yes. Now, again, new share. That's it. Yes, new share, please. 1 minute. Okay, this physics notes, measurement notes. Yes, homework 1, homework 2. This is the answer. Yes, this is worksheet 1. Okay, we can go now for the book, no problem. Again, this is the unit of measurement, unit of measurements. Okay, still. Yes, this is the, yeah. Okay, Shabab. Okay, how to find now the reading? Sorry. You know this micrometer now? Yes. Who can give me the reading? 1 minute, please. Yes. Yes, Shabab. Now, how to measure? Yes, Mr. Muad. Find the reading now. Give me the reading now. Reading for this measure. Now this cylinder, the measurement coming like that. You can give me the reading how much? Yes, Muad. Yes, 0. Yes, and after that, give me. Wow. 1.5. Very good.
7.
Muhammad. What's Muhammad?
3.
A 3.
Yes, and there
Yes.
17.
And 17. No. Huh?
0.5. 0.517.
0.517. Huh? And Saeed?
0.7.
0.7. Allah عليك Saeed. ما شاء الله. ما شاء الله. Yes. Yes. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes. 35. It's 2.5 plus 0.17. Yes. Why 2.5? Why 2.5? Again, because this is 2 and this is 5 and this is 15, 16, 17. Okay, Shabab? Okay.
Nothing but